Hello friends, this is Pharmacist Manoj. Welcome to RM Care Pharmaco. First of all, our body weight is the sum total of muscle, fat and water. Therefore, you need to keep in mind that weight loss is not equal to fat loss. As you all might know, obesity is linked to major diseases like blood pressure, diabetes, osteoarthritis or knee joint pains, infertility, etc. As it becomes easier for everyone to access internet today, there is a lot of bad weight loss information on the internet which will tempt the public to follow them and invest a lot of money and regret later for either side effects or having no results. However, there are several natural methods that have actually been proven to work. Some of the studies have shown that using smaller plates helps you eat less because it changes how you see the portion sizes, and people seem to fill their plates the same way regardless of the plate size. So they end up putting more food on larger plates than the smaller ones. In fact, using smaller plates reduces how much food you eat while giving you perception of having eaten more. There is actually a truth to claim that drinking lot of water can help weight loss. Believe or not, drinking half liter of water may increase the calories you burn by 24 to 30% for an hour afterwards. And drinking water before meals also reduces the calorie intake, especially for middle-aged and older people. And water is particularly good for weight loss when it replaces other beverages that are high in calories and hidden high content of sugar. For example, drinking water instead of Coke or Pepsi is a great way to reduce your weight naturally. Studies have shown that the food you keep at home greatly affects weight and eating behavior. By always having the healthy foods available at your home, you can reduce the chances of you and other family members eating unhealthy foods. For example, keeping the healthy fruits, eggs, nuts and dry fruits always as a ready snack instead of ordering pizza, burgers and fried chicken. When it comes to weight loss, protein is the king of nutrients. Your body burns the calories while digesting and metabolizing the protein what you have eaten. So a high protein diet can boost metabolism by up to 80 to 100 calories per day. A high protein diet can also make you feel more filled stomach and reduces your appetite. In fact, some studies have shown that we can burn at least 400 fewer calories on high protein diet. For example, if you include high protein in your breakfast like eggs, it will have a powerful effect in your weight management. Processed foods are usually high in added sugars, added fats, and obviously having high calories. What's more, processed foods are engineered to make you eat more as much as you can. They are much more likely to cause addiction, just like smoking, alcohol or drugs. Simply, for many people, the junk foods can hijack the biochemistry of brain, leading to downright addiction and cause them to lose control over their consumption. Eating lot of added sugar is linked with some of the world's leading diseases like heart diseases, type 2 diabetes and cancer. Without even realizing it, on an average, people are eating 10 to 15 teaspoons of added sugar each day directly by themselves or indirectly by adding in soft drinks, teas, coffee, etc. For example, minimizing your intake of added sugar or using low-calorie natural stevia sugar is one of the greatest way to improve your diet. As you all know, fruits and vegetables are extremely healthy and weight loss friendly foods. But there are a lot of fruits in the market sprayed with chemicals to look fresh for a long time. So choose wisely good and fresh fruits to eat. Also ensure you clean properly with salt or vinegar before you eat them. In addition to being rich in water, nutrients and fiber, they usually give low energy density. This makes it possible to eat larger servings without consuming too many calories. And numerous studies have shown that people who eat more fruits and vegetables tend to lose their weight faster. Fortunately, many people knew that coffee is a healthy beverage that is loaded with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Drinking coffee instead of tea may support weight loss by increasing energy levels and also amount of calories you burn. Caffeinated coffee may boost your metabolism by 3 to 11%, which will help reducing the weight and also reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by whooping 23 to 50%. Furthermore, black coffee is very weight loss friendly since it makes you feel full but have no calories. Refined carbs are the carbohydrates that have had most of their beneficial nutrients and fiber removed. The refining process of these carbohydrates leaves nothing but easily digested carbs, which can increase the risk of overeating, leading to obesity. For example, limiting the refined carbohydrate foods like white flour or rice flour, white bread, white rice, sodas, pastries, snacks, pasta, and added sugar, etc. can help reducing the weight. Green tea is a supernatural beverage that is loaded with antioxidants, and drinking green tea is linked with many benefits such as fat burning and weight loss. To be more specific, the EGCG or epigallocatechin gallate, which is there in green tea, is an effective fat burner. And studies confirm that green tea may increase the energy expenditure by 4% and increase the selective fat burning by up to 17%, especially harmful belly fat. Matcha green tea is a variety of powdered green tea that may have even more powerful health benefits than a regular green tea. Also, there are many green tea extract capsules available in the market which are more effective as well. Those who really wish and want to reduce their weight, please follow these 10 techniques and go for minimum 30 to 40 minutes of physical activities like brisk walk, jogging, or home exercise for at least 60 days consistently. I am sure you will start seeing a good change. In my next weight loss video, I will explain more tips along with what supplements or medicines you can take to reduce the weight more effectively. Please share this video to your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and see you all with the next video. Bye.